Well, hello everyone, and welcome to another edition of Talking Bullion. Well, got something a little different here today. I'm sure most of you, if not all of you watching this video, have already seen the new Morgans that have come out. And they've been pretty hot, coming into everybody's mailboxes, including mine. And I was able to get several from each set. I have already sold most of them that I wanted to sell. Of course, I'm keeping a set for myself. But I end up having two left over, the Denver and the San Francisco Mints. Now, one of the cool things about these two that I like a lot is they're not privy marks, they're actual mint marks and made of those mints. And I just think that's cool, you know. I mean, honestly, I know that the Carson City's been selling for a lot of money. I don't like the privy marks. I just think it's kind of cheesy. I really don't like them put in the same spot that the mint mark goes. I really think they should have put the privy mark in a different spot. It's only my humble opinion. Obviously, they've done quite well with them. As we know, a lot of these will come in shaking around in the boxes. The coins are loose in the packaging. I don't know. The U.S. Mint just really needs to do a little bit better on that stuff. That's not why I'm here today. I'm here to talk about these two extra Morgan dollars that I have, a Denver and a San Francisco. And I'd like to see if anybody's either interested in purchasing them or doing a trade. Maybe you might be a little short on funds right now, and if you had something to trade, we could do a trade. That would be fine with me. Trade for one, trade for both. Shoot me an email at tb@talkingbullion.com and let's talk. Let me know what you're offering. Let me know what you're willing to part with to pick one of these up or both of them. And I'll show them to you. These will be the actual ones that I'm selling. Packaging is pristine. Mine survived the U.S. Mint's shipping. So let's open up the Denver one here. We can see it's got the, I'm going to move the stuff aside. The box and top are in good shape. Great shape, really. Here's the C of A. It's in no bent corners or anything. It's in perfect condition as well. And here's the coin itself. We can look. Let me give it a quick little wipe on the capsule. Make sure there's nothing on that capsule. Everything looks pretty good on this one. Don't see any noticeable scuffs or markings or anything. On the back side, see if we can get that D in there. Kind of hard to see. Let me see if I can zoom in a little bit. See the D right there? Let's put it in the center of the screen. You can see the condition of the coin. This one looks pretty good. There's been quite a few complaints about the quality of these coins. As near as I can tell, these are looking pretty darn good. So let me zoom back out here a little bit. So here is the Denver Mint Morgan 2021. Looking pretty good. I'm going to put it back in its case. Put the C of A back in there, being very gentle with it. Put the lid back on. Slide it back in. Again, in great condition. Okay. Now let's take a look at the San Francisco. Let's look at the box. Box is in great condition. Nothing wrong with that. Lid here, the inside box looks good. Nothing wrong with that. No bent or busted corners on it. C of A. I'm going to push that aside a little bit. C of A. Looks perfect. No bent corners or anything on it. S mint mark. Alright. Set that over here with the rest of this stuff. Let's take a look at the coin. Condition looks really good. I'm not a grader, so I couldn't grade it, but see if we can zoom in again. You can see the S mint mark down there. right between the D and the L. It's got some nice reflective look to it. Alright. So yeah, I was fortunate. All the coins that I received were in great condition. And I'm pretty happy about that. And that should make you happy if you're interested in either purchasing or doing a trade. You know, I'd be willing to take, maybe some Constitutional Silver, some American Silver Eagles if you wanted both of them. Maybe a 10th ounce Gold Eagle, and I don't know, maybe something, I'm not sure. I'm always wanting to work with trades, get creative, see what you have. Like I said, maybe you're a little short on funds right now, so you'd like to not pull anything out of your pocket, but yet still pick them up. So I'll tell you, if you bought several of these Morgans, your bank account got hit pretty hard pretty fast, so I can understand if some people might be a little bit short on funds right now. So I thought I'd put them out there. Again, these are my last two that are available. After these two are gone, I have no more. I've already done one trade with a member of the YouTube community. I think it was a win-win for both of us. And I think we can do that again. Reasonable guy, not looking to overdo it. Definitely, I've always believed, if you've watched any of my previous videos, I've always believed that a trade should be a win-win on both sides. I don't believe a trade should be somebody making a ton of money off the other person. Now, these have a fair market value, right? I'm going to expect, a decent fair market value on them. But I'm not going to try to take advantage of you. That won't be my goal. But I still know that they're worth a little bit more than what I paid for them, right? We all know that. Anyway, reach out to me, tb@talkingbullion.com, if you'd like to talk about it. And it'll be a first come, first serve. I'm not sure what the interest will be because I know there's a lot of them for sale out there. But this will be from a YouTube member, community member that you know. If you've watched my videos at all, you probably would feel a little bit better buying from me than eBay or some other, app online, Facebook or something with people you don't even know. I'll treat you right, and let's see what we can do. Thank you for watching, and always remember, let's keep talking bullion.